Hello there, thank you for popping into my channel. I am Sweet D and you are currently watching Sweet D TV. If you've been here before and you subscribe to my channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you are new here, what I want to do is I want to explain to you the 3 reasons I started this channel. The first reason I started this channel is because I wanted to help promote self-esteem and confidence to young women. The second reason I started the channel is because I love doing wig reviews, and then I figured, hey, if you're doing wig reviews and I don't wear a lot of them, why not give them away? So that made me say, there are people out there who could really use these wigs. So my second reason I started the channel is because I wanted to help women who have alopecia or going through chemotherapy and they need wigs, and I wanted to give these wigs to them free. The third reason I started the channel is because I love what I do. I love making myself look beautiful. I love making myself feel value and worth. And a lot of that starts with self-esteem and self-worth. And that's what I want. I want every young woman out there to feel beautiful, no matter what the occasion or into that. So today, what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you information about scalp cooling and cold caps. The last time I made a video, I made it very clear that there are other alternatives to when you're getting chemotherapy to keeping your hair. And I found out a lot of women didn't know about this. They weren't given this choice or option. So I'll tell you a little bit about that. Okay, this is called scalp cooling. And I will say scalp cooling, which is what that's the term that they use, is a cooling system, tightly fitting helmet-like hat filled with cold liquid gel that you wear during chemo infusions. These devices have helped many people to keep quite a bit of their hair. So what happens is that the cold caps work by narrowing the blood vessels beneath the scalp, which reduce the amount of chemotherapy medicine that reaches the hair follicles. With less chemotherapy medication in the follicles, the hair may be less likely to fall out. The cold also decreases hair follicles' metabolic activity, which makes the cells divide more slowly and protect the follicles. Now, you have to wear this during each chemo session that you have. Now there's another option that you have too to try to save your hair. This is called cold caps. Okay, cold caps are manual cooling systems. They are similar to ice packs. Okay, you need to keep a cold cap in the cooler with dry ice or special biomedical freezer before wearing them. Each cap warms and thaws while you wear it. So you need to replace it with a new cold cap every 20 to 30 minutes during chemotherapy sessions. Now, the reason I am giving you information about scalp cooling and cold caps is because a lot of times when women get told they have cancer or anyone, you don't think about what, how can I save my hair? You think about how can I save my life? And that's what I come in at, because I'm here to give you information, and I believe it probably it lands on the family members to try to make you feel, as best it can. For one thing, you have to get through chemotherapy, right? So when you're getting through chemotherapy, your mind is just one way. So when your hair is falling out, it really, really reminds you of how easy it may be to lose your life. And then you might start to feel like not attractive. So during the end of chemotherapy and when the treatment is over, a lot of women are relieved. They're so relieved because now the cancer is either gone or the tumor has really shrunk. Now they start thinking about, how do I look? I want to look better. And I always tell this story, and I'll tell you it once more. While starting this channel, it's very difficult because, a lot of people, they just don't go on YouTube looking about this. And this is just a passion of mine that I started recently. This channel's been up for 5 months. So this is the direction I decided I want to go into. So I'll tell you this story. My boyfriend went to his rental office, And I told him to see if they would subscribe to the channel and tell him what it was about. So anyway, he came back home and said, hey, guess what? My manager wants to see you. I said, what for? He says, I don't know. So anyway, I go to the property manager where he lives at, and go to the manager's office, and I go, hey, what's up? So when I got in there, I understood. She had been through chemotherapy, and she had a horrible wig on. And she looked at my channel, and she wanted some suggestions. And I was more than happy to help her. I brought her over, I fitted her for a wig, and that was the first wig that I've given away. I've given away about 10 now, just by either word of mouth or people needing that. But what I want to do every month is to give away 2 wigs. One for a woman who has chemotherapy and one that has alopecia. So that was the second reason I started this channel. So, but what a lot of women, like I said in the beginning, they're not worried about, you know, how do I look in a wig, or, you know, they're just worried about saving their lives. So anyway, I found a lot of different organizations, and I'm sorry, I'm going to go back a minute. Most health insurance does not pay for scalp cooling, and the procedure is pretty expensive. It can run up to $2,000. And so maybe that's a reason why a lot of healthcare in the field, they don't tell women that there's no other alternative. They think, well, you know, she's poor, or you know, she's a minority, she can't afford it, and you know, why bother her with this? And that kind of angered me, you know, because these women are out here, and there are organizations that can help them, but they're not even told about it. That's the problem that I have. So that's what I'm here to do. So now I will tell you that scalp cooling is a place where you actually, they put a helmet on you, they hook it up to a machine. I'm going to show you a picture of that later. And you have to sit between 30 and 35 minutes. You have to do that every time you go get an infusion for chemotherapy. Now, cold caps are a little differently. Cold caps are, they're put it into the freezer and you swap them out every half an hour so that you can, you know, reduce the hair follicles as well. But as according to this, health insurances don't cover cold caps at all. And that's just something that they don't do. And part of the reason is that scalp cooling is basically, you could get reimbursed by Medicare, but cold caps, which are they have frozen little caps, and they have gel inside. The FDA does not approve that, and therefore it's not going to be anything that's covered by insurances. But according to some of the information, it looks like that Medicare will reimburse you if you need that. So right now I'm out here, and I told you all that once I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to start giving away wigs, my own wigs. And I'll be giving you information about where you can get wigs free. Because guess what, ladies? I like wearing synthetic wigs, and they're really nice and cute. But these organizations that give away these free wigs, they have nice wigs. Some are $300 or $400. And guess what? I found out. It takes 3 people, 3 women, to donate hair just to make one wig. And I have to right now give a shout out to my physical therapist. Her name is Jess. Jess and I had a conversation about the channel, and I learned that she had actually donated her hair. And yes, I'm so happy, and I'm so proud of her. She's my physical therapist, and I love her. Now, this doesn't have anything to do with the channel, but I'll tell you what, I am in physical therapy because you all know I had surgery. But my next favorite physical therapist, his name is Ryan. So, those 2 are favorite. And they help me to feel good, and they help me to feel beautiful, and they're getting me back up to shape. But once again, I want to thank all of the women who donate their hair, all the women who take the time to look at my video, and hopefully the things that I'm sharing with you, you'll be able to use this. So thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in about a week with more information. And guys, please keep coming back to the channel, because if you don't, I can't give the wigs away. So thank you so much, and have a nice day.